Take a moment to check out the 2014 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.